Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So right here, you're in your Crave team and you're wondering how you can remove this search icon on the search bar from your Shopify Crave team. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can remove it, and it's going to do just like this. And by the time you're done, you also will be able to do it just like this. Let's go ahead to the video tutorial. Now, what you want to do is you want to come to your online store at your backend here. You want to come to Teams, okay? And right there in Teams, you want to look for Crave, and right there, you want to click on Customize. And the moment you click on customize, we're going to be using 3 tricks, okay? I'm going to be giving you 3 different methods, okay? And hopefully one for everything works for you. So you want to stick right there for this short tutorial. The first method I want to use is the base method, okay? How to do that is that I'm going to come to this Crave here at the top, draft, yours might be live, and you click on this 3-10 line and you click on edit code. Now don't fidget, it's simple, it's just copy paste, so don't fidget at all. And even if that's not cool, you can also use the second one. So the moment you click on that, you're going to see the editor. It's going to load up like this, okay? So what you want to do is you want to come here to this doc file. I'm going to give it to you, so you're going to use it. And you're going to go ahead and copy this one that says to hide it using base. You're going to copy that, all right? And you want to come back here. You want to come to Crave. You want to come to Assets. You want to come to base.css. And you want to scroll down, okay? You want to scroll down. You want to go down, baby, to the last part, all right? So you see, you're not even adding it to the middle or anything, just the last part, just like this, okay? And paste, that's all right? And just hit on save, okay? And when I go back, you see, the icon is no longer there. Okay, so it's as simple as this, all right? And in case maybe you don't want to do this, you're like, oh no, Maverick, I wouldn't like that because I don't want to go to my editor. I don't want to tamper with any code, or maybe I might be scrolling and there might be a mistake. It's fine, I got you. There is a way you can also do it inside just this customization interface. Now let me go ahead and teach you how to do that. But before I even go ahead to teach you how to do that, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel. I want this channel to go big and I want to build a lot of family right here so that we guys can interact a whole lot. So please try as much as possible to subscribe. It's just free to subscribe. Hit the red button down below this video and God bless you. And let me go ahead and teach you how to go about that. So the first thing I want to do is to remove the icon. So I'm going to remove that. I mean the code, and I'm going to click on save. And I'll go back here and it's back already. So now the next thing I want to do now to use another method is to click on this header right here. Okay. And scroll down. Okay. Come to this custom CSS. Okay. Scroll down again. And right there, you can see this box here. I'm going to come here to this doc file again, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy this code that says to remove using CS. Okay. I'm going to copy that and I'll go back and I paste. And now let's see, you can see that it's gone again. All right. So this is how you can remove it again, just using this custom CSS method. Okay. So those are 2 tricks that you can use to remove it. All right. And let me give you a bonus trick for you guys. All right. To also remove this, search bar, okay, the search icon. So what the bonus trick is that you want to come here to add section. Okay. Or yeah, let me check add block. Oh, no, it's not there. So you want to click on add section, okay, and you want to click on custom liquid, just like that, all right. And you want to come here to custom liquid, okay, and you want to add a single code also. So everything about my tricks are always copy and paste. So you are not doing anything techy, just copy it. Everything is there for you and paste. So you want to come back here and paste that code again, and it's going to be a bonus for you. And right there, you can see the search icon is gone again. All right. So if this video has been helpful, type it's gone in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel. God bless you. And even if you don't want to subscribe, it's fine. You can like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who are also looking for these tutorial videos, and maybe they are not able to see it, but by the time you like it, it makes the algorithm and YouTube to push it to all those people, and they can also get this tutorial. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck in your dropshipping journey, and I wish you a lot of sales in your e-commerce or dropshipping journey also. And peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.